Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a PUR mystery bag to show you. Do you want to see what I got? Stay tuned. Okay you guys, so I ordered this PUR mystery bag directly from Ipsy's store. This PUR mystery bag was normally $40, but it was on sale for $27. So let's go ahead and see. This was actually delivered directly from PUR, like PUR Cosmetics. It came from them, not from Ipsy. So let's go ahead and see what we have. So we have some paper and we have a bag and we have some samples. And I did get a PUR mystery bag before. I'm hoping this isn't the same one, but if it is, no problem. Some of the stuff will go in giveaways, which is okay. So right on top there is a PUR See No More Deep Pore Cleanser. There's a Melt Away Makeup Towelette. And then there's a Forever Clean Gentle Cleanser. So they gave you one of each of these little skincare lines. So this was added in there, not a part of it. And this says Deluxe Mystery Bag. So let's go ahead and see what we're getting. All right, so right on top, I believe this is the same exact palette, I think. Let me see, hold on. Okay, so yes, it is the exact same one that we got from, I had bought one of these one time, I think at Kohl's. This one is mine. I'll show you the colors. Then when I got the mystery bag the last time, I got the same exact palette, so I have it sitting here for a future giveaway. Now I have two. So these need to be given to you guys soon because now I have two of them to give to you guys. But this one's my palette, and honestly, you guys, I have never even used this yet. I forget it's up there. I need to because they're very pretty colors. So there is this palette right there. So if everything else is the same, then I'm going to be really happy to get another one of my favorite blending brushes that I use every day. So that's one reason why I kind of wanted this, just to see if I was going to get another one of those brushes. So let's see what else is in here, because it's probably the same thing. I think it is exactly the same thing I got. Yes. So I already have this brush, so I will put this in a future giveaway because I have this one sitting in my arsenal. Now this is it. Yes. So I'm so excited to get, this is the Precision Crease Brush. Let me show you out of the package. This is the one that I use every day to do up in here. And I love this brush. So I'm so glad to now have another one. I'm very excited about that. So yeah, this is the exact same thing. If I would have known that, I probably wouldn't have purchased it, but I did. Again, I did want another one of these. And then this one must be for your eyebrows. Brow Sculpt and Groom Brush. So there's the double-ended brow brush right there. Then we have this big boy, which I did not keep. This is a contour blending brush. So maybe now I will keep them. Maybe it's a sign. And then here's a liquid chisel brush. Here, let me get the plastic off there, you guys. I'm sorry. So that is what this one is, the contour blending brush. There's that. And then this one, I have to open from the top. This one's different. All the other ones are like the same white handle. They look like they're all like from the same line. And then this one is a little different. This one's a liquid chisel brush. What is it? A large flathead brush with very soft bristles for liquid complexion products. So like liquid foundation, maybe? So maybe I should keep it. I don't know. I'll see what I'm gonna do with them. But I know the palette for sure is going to one of you guys. So there's that. It's a nice weight to it. They feel like, I like their brushes. They do feel of quality, but again, I I didn't keep any of the other ones except that one. Well, actually these two. Both of these I kept from the bag the last time. So I'll have to see what I'm gonna do with the rest of this stuff. And then there's one other item here. So if you guys wanna get all of this stuff, you can check on Ipsy's store if you have an Ipsy account, see if it's still available, because for $27, that's a steal, because I think this brush alone was like 20 something dollars. So, and if this is the same color of the other one that I have, I'll have to look. Low key, I think this is, hold on. Yes, it's the same color. So I'll show you mine. This is low key. And this is it sharpens one way and then, you know. So let me show you the color. I really, really like this color. I really like this one. So I will be putting the other one in a future giveaway because I don't need two of them, but it is a very, very pretty color. See, there's that. So that is everything that came in this mystery container. We have these two that I already have. What? I already had this whole entire thing, but some of the brushes I gave away. So now I just don't know if I'm going to keep some of these brushes. Just this one I know for sure I'm going to put in a giveaway with that palette. This one I'm for sure going to put in a giveaway with that palette. This, they gave me two of the same. They did. They gave me two of the same. They gave me two of these. These are exactly the same. I got two of those. This one I'm definitely keeping. I don't know about these, and this will go in a future giveaway. So, yeah. But I thought it was going to be something different, but apparently it's the exact same thing. So if you guys want to get this set, you want these brushes, that beautiful lip liner, and that entire palette right now, because the palette alone sells for $49. So if you want to grab this entire kit, see if Ipsy still has it available on their site, at their store. You go to their store and at the top in their toolbar, type in just mystery. That's all I did. I typed in just mystery and all of these popped up, which had Ipsy's mystery bags that they have. Plus they had this one. They had one from Sigma that I got. They had another one that I got as well. So you can look there, and if it's still for $27 and you like these items, go grab it because it's an amazing deal, especially for $27. Because I know when I did the mystery bag, I paid $40 for the mystery bag, and I think I had to pay shipping too because I wasn't at $50. So I spent about probably $50 after tax and shipping. So with this Ipsy being only, what was it, 20, what did I keep saying, 27? I want to make sure I'm right, $27. That is a really good deal. So yeah, so let me know what you guys think. I know these brushes are supposed to be really good, and this one's my favorite. So again, if you want to check them out, go ahead and check out Ipsy's store. If you have Ipsy on the app, just go to where it says shop or it says store, and then at the top, type in mystery. If you have any questions, let me know. Let me know also what you think of this mystery bag. Do you think it's a good one? This is now the second time I'm unbagging the same exact bag. Sorry, but I thought I was getting something different. But now I'm adding to your guys' stuff, so that's awesome. So thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching this. If you're not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can see all the videos that I do load for you guys. I would greatly appreciate it. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.